Hey guys, so now I'm at the Dollar Tree where everything's a dollar. I'm going to show you some of the supplies that I get to do my little ritual and put on my altar. Look what I came across, some Legos, only for $1.25, so worth it. So now I'm in the aisle where I got all the sand. So you can get different color sand. This you can put in your glass container and burn some charcoals and burn your herbs or candles to get rid of the bad spirits, negative spirits, or you can just simply go to the beach and get some sand. I love these candles because once you use them, you can store your herbs inside. There's different types of containers, flavors, and smell you can use. But Dollar Tree has everything. You need different colors for beauty spells. White candles you can use for every type of ritual, or you can buy the saint ones. Your choice. Also, you can get here the empty bottles. You can fill it up with Florida water or make your own potion or spell and carry on your backpack or your purse. And you can spray it in your car, anywhere you go outside, just for protection. Welcome to the Botanica store, the spiritual store, my favorite store. Here you can buy and find everything from book spells to incense, your crystal stones, jewelry, your essential oil, your sash, basically anything. Oh, my singing bowl. This is where I got it, but here's all the incense and my try cards as well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and check out your Botanica store.